Here are today's biggest moves on the Indian stock market, analyzed straight from the exchange filings by flashfinance.news. 3 stories, ordered by market value from the largest company down, what changed, the key numbers, why it matters, and what to watch. Let's get into it. Story 1. Restaurant Brands Asia. 12.6% SSSG and Rs 1,050 crore capital infusion by Inspira Global in Q1 FY27. What changed? Inspira Global has taken control of RBA with a 42% stake and a Rs 1,050 crore cash infusion, while the India operations achieved record SSSG and margin expansion. The key numbers. Consolidated revenue, Q1 Rs 822.6 crore. India SSSG, 12.6%. Immediate capital infusion, Rs 1,050 crore. Infusion versus market cap, -23.7%. India restaurant EBITDA margin, 13.2%. Total store count, 752. Why it matters? The massive capital infusion addresses RBA's high debt, Rs 1,698 crore, and provides the financial flexibility needed to reach scale, while the SSSG surge indicates a potential operational turnaround. What to watch? Monitor the utilization of the Rs 1,050 crore infusion for debt reduction and the pace of store additions in India to reach the 700 store target. Watch for management changes and synergy benefits following Inspira Global's acquisition of a controlling stake. Story 2. Kato Motors. Kato Motors unveils Urbanova K9 electric bus, plans Rs 300 crore investment in Telangana. What changed? The company has transitioned from a non-operational entity, post-reverse merger, to an active EV manufacturer with a certified product and a large-scale manufacturing roadmap. The key numbers. Planned investment, Rs 300 crore. Investment versus net worth, 3,000%. Certified range, 150 kilometers. Expected job creation, 2000 plus. Current net worth, Rs 10 crore. Why it matters? This marks a total pivot into the high-growth EV bus segment. However, the scale of the planned investment is extremely large compared to the company's current financial base, indicating high execution risk and potential future funding needs. What to watch? Investors should monitor the timeline for the Rs 300 crore facility expansion and look for concrete order wins from state road transport corporations, SRTCs, to validate commercial demand. Story 3. Kaya. Kaya Ltd, Rishabh Mariwala appointed MD, Harsh Mariwala to non-executive role from November 2026. What changed? The company initiated a formal leadership succession plan and reported quarterly results while delaying a previously planned capital raise. The key numbers. Q1 FY27 revenue, Rs 60.14 crore. Year-on-year revenue growth, 13.9%. MD appointment term, 5 years. Net worth, context Rs -153 crore. Total debt, context Rs 296 crore. Why it matters? The transition to the next generation of the promoter family is a major strategic milestone, but the deferral of fundraising is concerning given the company's fragile financial position and negative net worth. What to watch? Monitor the execution of the leadership transition and the timeline for the deferred fundraising, which is essential to address the negative net worth and high debt of Rs 296 crore. That's today's market wrap. For the full AI analysis of every NSE and BSE filing, visit flashfinance.news. Like and subscribe for daily market updates. Educational analysis, not investment advice.